Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my ukulele tutorial for High Hopes by Panic at the Disco. The ukulele is tuned G, C, E, A. And for the verses and choruses, we'll need to play 4 chords. B flat, formed this way. F, formed this way. D minor, formed this way. I'm holding down 2 strings at fret 2, and then I'm holding down the E string at fret 1, and the A string is open. And then a C by holding down the A string at fret 3. So we've got B flat, F, D minor, and C. We're going to strum that the first time around. The second time around, we'll strum B flat, F, D minor, and A minor by holding down the G string at fret 2. Our strumming pattern will be done this way. Down, down, up, down, down. Every chord will be strummed that way. So we've got down, down, up, down, down. 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 Second time around, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. A minor, down, down, up, down, down. Now for the strumming, we were using our index finger, like that. But for the pre-chorus, we're going to strum with our thumb, and we'll strum each chord once, like this. F, A, D minor, and B flat minor. For B flat minor, I'm holding down 3 strings at fret 1 and bringing in a finger to the 3rd fret on the G string. And that's B flat minor. So we've got F, A, D minor, B flat minor. F, A, D minor, B flat minor, and then we'll go back into the strumming. And you know what? That's all we're going to have to learn in order to play High Hopes by Panic at the Disco on ukulele. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.